building your own home can be extremely exciting because you get exactly what you want. Instead of buying someone else's house that's, that has already been lived in, or a builder's spec home with a layout that might not be perfect for you, you can get exactly what you want when you build your own home. Plus, you'll be picking out your own plot of land or lot that might be in the location that you prefer. So this is an exciting time to be building your own place. And a great mortgage program to do that is the FHA one-time close construction loan. It is really unique in the sense that you can finance the cost of the lot and the build, everything, with just 3.5% down. Now, when I say everything, we're talking again about the purchase of the lot, all of the costs related to the plans, the architect if you have one, the construction, permits, everything. And you're going to do it qualifying for the mortgage using the typical FHA guidelines, meaning 2-year work history, 3.5% down. Okay, now here's the one difference. Although FHA loans allow for credit scores as low as 580 with 3.5% down, or 500 with 10% down, what you're going to find are that the very few lenders that offer this construction loan program are asking for credit scores to be higher than 580. You're likely looking at 620 or even 640 as the minimum credit score requirement. So if you'd like to get yourself pre-approved or speak to someone to see whether you qualify, just follow the link down below in the description or the first pinned comment, or if you're on the website, just click the button that says find an FHA lender. Okay, so now the first thing to do is get yourself pre-approved by a lender, and I just told you how you can do that. Then you're also going to need to select a contractor. Now, the other thing to understand is that not only do you need to be approved for the mortgage, but your contractor needs to also be approved by the lender as an approved builder for this FHA one-time close construction loan with them. So your builder is going to have an application to fill out, and in some instances that application is a little more detailed than your mortgage application. So that's something to consider. So now I talked about a 3.5% down payment. If you already own the land and you've got value there, and let's say you own it outright with no mortgage, that value of the land can be used towards your down payment, so that way you don't need an additional down payment on the mortgage. Okay. Now we talked about financing everything, so everything relating to your costs of the build, including the permits. If you need to temporarily live somewhere else while your build is happening or is getting completed, your lender may even finance rental costs for a few months while you're living elsewhere. So that's another great thing to consider. Okay, talked about a 2-year work history. The home must be your primary residence. This can't be a fix and flip deal. Okay, and you're going to you can't have a Chapter 7 foreclosure in the past 2 years, so that will disqualify you as well. Okay, so like I said, this is a great program. If you want to learn more about it, just follow the link down below, and we'll share with you a lender in your area or a national lender who could help you with either answer your questions or get you pre-approved or get you financed to build your new custom home using an FHA one-time close construction loan. And also, this can work for multifamily buildings too. If you want to build a 2, 3, or 4 family building, live in one unit, and rent out the others, not only is this a great program to do that, but a great way to build wealth too, because you're going to be able to rent out the other units while you're living in one. You may be living rent-free if that rental income covers your entire mortgage payment. Something else to consider. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.